Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to enable or activate developer options on your Infinix Smart 9. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. To activate your developer options, first thing first, open your settings menu. Next, you open My Phone, click it. In this build number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. You are now a developer. Next, we click back. In your settings menu, you scroll down and you open system menu. Click it. Now you can find developer options menu. Open your developer options menu. Yep, successfully to activate developer options menu. You can see in developer options menu so many hidden settings for your device like memory. And you scroll down. Yep, this is small switch or DPI. Window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator, and so many hidden settings for your device. But you have to understand before you activate it, because if it's wrong can cause you problem for your device like black screen or reset. Okay guys, enjoy settings on your developer mode. If you have finished, you can turn off your developer mode. Tap this icon. Yep, your developer options is disabled. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.